How to add PayPal payments to Shopify store. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make payment easy on Shopify store. First of all, open your web browser. Here type shopify.com and open your Shopify store. Tap on Login at the top right corner. Click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Click on Payments in the left column. Go to Supported Payment Methods and click on Add Payment Method. You can search by payment methods or search by provider as well. Go back to Supported Payment Methods and select Activate PayPal. Click on Activate PayPal Express Checkout. Please wait while we perform a security check and click on Get Support from PayPal. Go back to Settings and check PayPal Express Checkout. That's how you can add PayPal payments to Shopify store. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.